Hello, and welcome to Learn English Podcast 360. In this lesson, you will learn how to count in English. We will start with numbers from 1 to 100. Then we will practice hundreds, thousands, millions, and billions. This lesson is perfect for beginners, A1 to A2 level. I will speak slowly and clearly. Please repeat after me and practice speaking. Let's begin. 1. Counting from 1 to 100. 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6, 7 7, 8 8, 9 9, 10 10, 11 11, 12 12, 13 13, 14 14, 15 15, 16 16, 17 17, 18 18, 19 19, 20 20, 21 21, 22 22, 23 23, 24 24, 25 25, 26 26, 27 27, 28 28, 29 29, 30 30, 31 31, 32 32, 33 33, 34 34, 35 35, 36 36, 37 37, 38 38, 39 39, 40 40, 41 41, 42 42, 43 43, 44 44, 45 45, 46 46, 47 47, 48 48, 49 49, 50 50, 51 51, 52 52, 53 53, 54 54, 55 55, 56 56, 57 57, 58 58, 59 59, 60 60, 61 61, 62 62, 63 63, 64 64, 65 65, 66 66, 67 67, 68 68, 69 69, 70 70, 71 71, 72 72, 73 73, 74 74, 75 75, 76 76, 77 77, 78 78, 79 79, 80 80, 81 81, 82 82, 83 83, 84 84, 85 85, 86 86, 87 87, 88 88, 89 89, 90 90, 91 91, 92 92, 93 93, 94 94, 95 95, 96 96, 97 97, 98 98, 99 99, 100 100. Now let's move on to the next part. You will learn how to count hundreds in English. 2. Hundreds 100 to 900, 100 100, 200 200, 300 300, 400 400, 500 500, 600 600, 700 700, 800 800, 900 900. Practive. 105, 110, 228, 315, 490, 573, 661, 732, 835, 999. Now let's learn how to count in the thousands. We will start from 1,000 to 9,000. 3,000s 1,000 to 9,000. 1,000 1,000, 2,000 2,000, 3,000 3,000, 4,000 4,000, 5,000 5,000, 6,000 6,000, 7,000, 7,000. 8,000, 8,000. 9,000, 9,000. Practive. 1,005. 1,210. 2,308. 3,155. 4,490. 5,073. 6,061. 7,902. 8,400. 9,999. Now, let's move on to bigger numbers. We will count from 10,000 to 90,000. 4. 10,000 to 90,000. 10,000, 10,000. 20,000, 20,000. 30,000, 30,000. 40,000, 40,000. 50,000, 50,000. 60,000, 60,000. 70,000, 70,000. 80,000, 80,000. 90,000, 90,000. Now, let's move on to bigger numbers. 5. 100,000 to 900,000. 100,000, 100,000. 200,000, 200,000. 300,000, 300,000. 400,000, 400,000. 500,000, 500,000. 600,000, 600,000. 700,000, 700,000. 800,000, 800,000. 900,000, 900,000. Practive. 100,000, 167. 431,250. 243,010. 800,000, 480. Now, let's move on to bigger numbers. 6 millions and billions. 1 million, 1 million. 10 million, 10 million. 100 million, 100 million. 1 billion, 1 billion. Practive. 1,200,167. 5,431,250. 3,243,010. 7,900,480. 1 billion, 1,200,167. Great job! You've just practiced counting in English from 1 to 1 billion. Remember to repeat this lesson often to improve your speaking and listening. Thank you for watching Learn English Podcast 360. See you in the next lesson.